In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable freeze columns. If you work with wide tables in Airtable, it can be easy to lose sight of important information as you scroll from left to right. Freezing a column is a simple way to keep a key field visible at all times, which makes it much easier to stay oriented while reviewing records or updating data. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a clear and practical way. Start by opening your Airtable table in Grid View. This is the standard spreadsheet style layout where your records appear in rows and your fields appear in columns. Make sure you're in the table where you want the change to happen because the freeze setting needs to be applied directly from that view. Next, look across your columns and choose the one you want to keep visible while scrolling. In many cases, this might be a primary field, a project name, a status field, or any column that helps you identify each row quickly. Taking a moment to choose the right column is helpful, especially if your table contains a lot of similar looking data. Once you've decided which column to freeze, move your cursor to the column header and click the drop-down arrow beside the column name. This opens the column menu where Airtable gives you several field-related options. Be careful to click the menu for the correct column so you apply the setting exactly where you want it. From that menu, choose the option to freeze or lock the column. The wording may vary slightly depending on your Airtable version, but the function is the same. As soon as you select it, Airtable will pin that column in place so it stays visible even when you move across the rest of the table. After that, scroll sideways through your table to confirm that the column remains visible. This is the easiest way to check that the setting worked properly. If the column stays in place while the other columns move, then the freeze has been applied successfully. Finally, if needed, you can adjust your setup by freezing or unfreezing other columns. This is useful if you realize a different field would be more helpful to keep in view, or if you want to simplify the layout again. Small adjustments like this can make a big difference when you're working in large Airtable bases. That's it. Freezing columns in Airtable is quick, but it can make your table much easier to navigate and manage.